Uday was a new IPS officer, district police in any state, but he resigned and he has taken, he's our pride. And he is a leader of his own right, not only in one state, but I was told in the Odisha also, our community is there and one Chhattisgarh is there. Obviously, Telangana and Andhra, we are here. Our Andhra leader, Marji, who is the General Secretary of our organization, most respected, our Mathur Sahab, Ranjit Mathur Sahab is a very important. I have come long back here in a one conference. I got his blessing, and there are 2-3 type of kastas here. One who is a really become the local caste, Andhra caste. Now Telangana is divided, but they are the thousands years back. The migration has taken place more than thousands years back. That type of one which you can have the Srishti Karnam and Karnam Pillai. These all Andhra, Karnataka, Andhra and Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu. These surname is there. And one, the Mrs. Mathur, you have seen his father, Odisha, for a longer period. 6 chief ministers have emerged in the northeast, Assam, Tripura, and Bihar, UP, from Rajendra Babu to Lal Bahadur Shastri.
500 years. For the first time ever, the book has been able to establish the caste connections in South India, including Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. As Leonardo's book on Kayasthas of Hyderabad was only a story of later Kayasths, migrants to the city, this book attempts to early Kayasths or native Kayasths who migrated to this land more than 2500 years ago. Within a short span, this book has spread to 52 countries and to 21 states in India, generating tremendous response. For more nuanced understanding about the book, you would have to wait until our lead author, ladies and gentlemen.
Handling the lighting in the hall, put off these 2 lights, this one and the other one, this one as well. When he descends on the ramp, but before he descended, there is another Davik Chitra of Chitragupta, and this is a symbolic representation of that Davik image, where he has 4 hands. And if you look at this image carefully, he has pen in one, he has Veda in the other, then he is blessing all of us, that all God does, and he has a sword in one hand. This is a unique God where the valor and the knowledge, they combine into one. This is a very symbolic point which needs to be kept in mind, and especially those who think that kastas are only for pen.
Of knowledge to us for the next generation, and thank you for the media, thank you for the MCHRD and my team and everyone over here. Thanks a lot. From here onwards, we all will be in touch, and we look forward for the next meeting very soon. And I'm sure we will go a great way. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Sandeep.
Today was a great occasion for Sahai. I belong to Kayast community in Bihar, and today's event was a historic event for us because we had got a chance to come and interact with our own community members of South. The Karunagirs of South, the Karnams of South, the Srishti Karnams of South, the Karunikas of South, they're all our friends and family members. So thank you very much for creating this awareness. Through you, we can reach out to those who could not attend today's meeting. This book is called Kayastha Encyclopedia. This is there on Amazon if you want to buy. This runs into 380 pages and it gives you a beautiful history, geography, mythology, legal status, food, cuisine, etc., of the community across India in 21 states. Thank you.
महासभा के द्वारा फर्स्ट टाइम साउदर्न स्टेट के तेलंगाना एंड आंध्रा के मूल कायस्थ, ओरिजिनल कायस्थ, माइग्रेंट कायस्थ जो 500 साल पहले भी माइग्रेट हुए हैं, तमाम लोगों का एक आज का दिन बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण दिन है जब हम कायस्थों के माइथोलॉजी, हिस्ट्री, कल्चर के ऊपर एक इंसाइक्लोपीडिया ऑफ कायस्था करके बुक का हमने यहाँ पे रिलीज भी किया और साथ साथ लोगों के तीनों तरह के जो कास्ट थे उनका एक मिलन भी हुआ है। ये साउदर्न स्टेट के लिए पहली बार ये घटना घटी है। मैं समझता हूँ इससे आपस में जो भूले भटके हुए लोग थे, एक दूसरे को से नहीं संबंध में था, वो एक दृढ़ता होगी, मजबूती होगी, एकता होगी।
This is from Mount Abu.
Yeah, get to it.
Okay, please. Randi. Thank you.